treat. This is an Ives pre-war O-gauge locomotive. This one is original paint. It's got a little bit of clear on it to protect it. The paint was starting to chip pretty bad. We wanted to keep that patina. The doors were missing on this, so this is a replacement brass door that we painted black, soldered into place. The frame had damage on one of the pilots, so we just removed some of the broken teeth and added a knuckle coupler so it could pull our regular rolling stock. And then this one has a Lionel Con-20 wafer switch installed. The Ives had a little manual direction changer on them as well, and this one was missing when I got it. But it's got a cast iron base, unlike the Lionel locomotives that look like this are pressed steel. And these Ives, that extra weight from the cast iron really helps them roll real nice. And then by flipping that little lever on the top backwards, we've changed directions. And again, these Ives are really fun. Later purchased by Lionel, so they could get their hands on that little reversing switch. But just a cool locomotive to run.